Hi everyone, in this video we will share to you our dining experience in one of the first restaurants that we've dined in at the Sidari strip in Corfu, and this is at the Calypso Beach Bar restaurant. We were informed that it has recently been refurbished, and so the lobby, the entrance and the interior, it's really nice, fresh and clean. So they have an indoor dining area which is amazingly clean and looks very new. So we had a look around. They have this outdoor sitting area covered and it's facing the beachfront, which is amazingly beautiful. So we explored the area first. We went down to the beach and they have this sunbeds, which I believe you can use when you buy food or drinks from them. I was so amazed with how it looks. It's so pretty. The kids got really excited. I got really excited too. We wanted to take some photos, but at the same time, we were also hungry as well. So we didn't quite know what to do first, to take photos or to have some food first. We decided to have a look at the menu and order food. So while it's cooking, we can take some photos. Ooh. Hello. Hello. Calypso Bar holds a prime position on the renowned Sidari beachfront and represent all that is great about the local beachside lifestyle. They offer modern Greek cuisine from share plates and grilled dishes and pizzas, and of course an assortment of different drinks and cocktails. And while we're waiting for our food, we took this opportunity to take some nice pictures of our holiday. I mean, look at that beautiful background. Who would want to miss this? Of course, we took more photos. More photos and more photos. Look at that backdrop. Look at that skyline. Look at that sunset. Amazing, amazing. Hey!
I want to take a photo too.
And the food arrived. So I ordered moussaka, Jerson ordered grilled octopus, Sky ordered a seafood dish with mussels and shrimps, and Marcus ordered some fries and roast chicken, and of course Greek salad. Ciao.
Cheese!
Cheers. Cheers.
I'm ready for McDonald's then.
Maximizing the chance to take good photos of a really nice skyline. The kids went about by the beachfront to take further photos, and this is one of the photos that they have captured. Look at that skyline. Overall, we enjoyed our meal at the Calypso Beach Bar. Highly recommended. It was the perfect setting at night. I'm sure it will be the same at daytime. So if you wanted to have a nice meal or simply grab a drink by the beachfront, this is the place to be.